The Bharatiya Janata Party has kicked off a day-and-night protest in front of the Secretariat over the gold theft controversy at the Sabrimala Ayyappa temple on Friday. Senior party leaders led the protest, which began around 7 p.m. last evening. BJP State President Rajiv Chandrasekhar, speaking to the media, slammed Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan's stance on the issue. He said, and I quote, that the theft of gold from a temple as important as Sabrimala cannot be viewed as a trivial issue. Now, senior BJP leader and former State President P.K. Krishnadas said that the Left Democratic Front (LDF) government was an insult to the country. Krishnadas said that the precise volume of the gold stolen from the temple has not yet been ascertained. The government has no right to continue in power. Important information coming in from Krishnadas. Now on this, we have my colleague Ashwin joining us on the telecast. Now Ashwin, there's been a lot of developments in the past 24 hours from the Devaswam board shrugging off the charges to the BJP staging a protest. Walk us through the latest in the case.
In fact, the low pressure in the Bay of Bengal has caused torrential rain in Thiruvananthapuram. The torrential protest that has been taken out by the certainly creating, amplifying as well. Right now you can see a large number of BJP workers are continuing their stir outside the Secretariat in Thiruvananthapuram. They demand a resignation of Devaswam Minister and disbanding of the Devaswam board itself. In fact, BJP has been amplifying its protest since October 8th, and what we see over here is the 24-hour protest. There's a gherav of the Secretariat. You can see this is the north gate of the Secretariat, and here BJP workers have gathered in large numbers since last evening at 6 p.m. Let's hear from the State Secretary of the BJP, Anup Anthony, is there with us. Anup, what is the message that you want to put across?
See, we all know that the Pinarayi Vijayan government has got an unprecedented loot, unprecedented stealing of the wealth of Sabrimala has happened. The gold-plated, the Shilpam in Sabrimala, the gold plates have been missing. It has been stolen. It has been done by the Pinarayi Vijayan government under the biggest of the ministers, the labor ministers. So Bharatiya Janata Party is conducting a historic protest today, a huge protest today. Around 20,000 people coming to block the Secretariat. We are not going to allow the Secretariat to function today. It's going to be a huge protest today in Kerala.
So that you can see large numbers are also there. Many people are gathered over here. This is likely to continue at 5 p.m. is what the BJP is saying. Certainly the protest is amplifying and we're expecting a gherav of the Secretariat in the hours to come.
Right, absolutely. Ashwin, thank you so much for joining us and sharing those details with us.